To start off, let us look at the very basics today, the notes on the keyboard. As you know, in the alphabet which we use to write words and make books, we have 26 letters from A to Z. As amazing as this may sound, though, in our musical alphabet used to write all the pieces of music you have heard, there are only 7 letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. But with those 7 letters, millions of pieces of music have been written over the centuries throughout the world in a variety of cultures from Afghanistan to Zimbabwe and including Canada. Since the fun is in making music itself, we can start with the keyboard. Looking at it, you will notice that there is a pattern there of note spacing. The black notes are grouped in 2s, here, and 3s, 2s and 3s, with the white notes filling the spaces. But there are 2 white notes side by side that separate the grouping of 2 black keys and 3 black keys, and also 2 white notes that separate the 3 black keys and the 2 black keys here. With one exception which we do not see on this keyboard, but is on your piano, that is a single black key at the very left end of the piano. This pattern of white keys and black keys is repeated over and over again a total of 6 times. Now, let us turn our attention to only the white keys. If we look at the 2 black keys roughly in the middle of the keyboard and count the white keys starting at the left up to the similar looking key, how many keys do we actually find? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As you have probably guessed, those 7 keys are the 7 notes that make up our musical alphabet. The key on which we started is a very special key called middle C, because it is the C roughly in the middle of the keyboard itself. If you think of your alphabet then, you have probably also figured out that the 2 white keys below are A and B. So A, B, C, and naturally then the keys that are above are D, E, F, and G. This pattern is repeated over and over, as we've said, where the A is always between the second and third of the 3 black keys and the grouping of 3 black keys. So naturally then it should appear here. Let's see if it does. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, and so on. To end our lesson today, you will notice one more thing. As we move from the left to the right, the pitch or the sound of the keys gets higher in tone. And naturally, when we move right to left, the tone gets lower. To the right, higher. To the left, lower.